Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll explore the 10 best places to visit in Jakarta, Indonesia, from historic landmarks to vibrant modern attractions. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or just looking for unique spots in the city, I've got you covered. Stay tuned as we dive into each destination and uncover what makes Jakarta such a fascinating city. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel guides, and comment below which place you'd love to visit first. Let's get started. 1. Istiqlal Mosque is the largest mosque in Southeast Asia. Built to commemorate Indonesia's independence, it was inaugurated in 1978. The mosque features a modern architectural style with a massive dome, towering minaret, and a capacity of over 200,000 worshippers. It serves as the national mosque and a symbol of religious harmony, situated near Jakarta Cathedral. Designed by Frederick Silaban, a Christian architect, its grandeur reflects Indonesia's multicultural identity. The mosque hosts major Islamic events, Friday prayers, and interfaith dialogues, making it a key spiritual and cultural landmark. 2. The National Monument, Monas, in Jakarta, Indonesia, is a 132-meter tall tower symbolizing the country's struggle for independence. Built between 1961 and 1975 under President Sukarno's vision, it features a gold-coated flame at the top, representing the spirit of freedom. The monument stands in Merdeka Square and houses a museum at its base, showcasing Indonesia's history. Visitors can take an elevator to the observation deck for panoramic views of Jakarta. Monas serves as a national landmark, a popular tourist attraction, and a site for national celebrations and cultural events. 3. Jakarta Old Town is a historic district that showcases Jakarta's colonial past. Once the heart of the Dutch East Indies, it features well-preserved 17th-century European-style buildings, cobblestone streets, and cultural landmarks. Key attractions include Fatahillah Square, Jakarta History Museum, Wayang Museum, and Café Batavia. The area offers a glimpse into Indonesia's rich heritage, blending Dutch, Chinese, and indigenous influences. Kota Tua is a popular destination for history lovers, street artists, and photographers, with vibrant markets and food stalls adding to its charm. 4. Jakarta Cathedral, officially known as the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Assumption, is a historic Roman Catholic church in Jakarta. Built in 1901 in neo-Gothic style, it features pointed arches, tall spires, and intricate stained glass windows. Located across from Istiqlal Mosque, it symbolizes Indonesia's religious harmony. The cathedral serves as the seat of the Archdiocese of Jakarta and hosts major Catholic celebrations. Inside, it houses a museum showcasing Indonesia's Catholic history. Its striking architecture and spiritual significance make it a key landmark and a place of worship for the local Catholic community. 5. Fatahillah Square, located in Jakarta's Old Town, is a historic plaza that was once the center of Dutch colonial rule in Batavia. Surrounded by well-preserved 17th-century buildings, it is home to key landmarks like the Jakarta History Museum, Wayang Museum, and Fine Art and Ceramic Museum. The square is a lively hub where visitors can rent colorful bicycles, enjoy street performances, and explore Jakarta's colonial past. With its charming atmosphere, cultural events, and local cafes like Café Batavia, Fatahillah Square remains a popular destination for history lovers and tourists. 6. Sunda Kelapa is Jakarta's historic port, dating back to the 13th century when it was a major trading hub for the Sunda Kingdom. Located in North Jakarta, it played a crucial role in Indonesia's maritime history, attracting traders from China, India, and the Middle East. Today, The port is known for its traditional wooden schooners, called pinasai, which are still used for transporting goods across the archipelago. Visitors can explore the bustling docks, witness skilled sailors loading cargo, and experience Jakarta's seafaring heritage. Sunda Kelapa remains a symbol of Indonesia's rich maritime culture. Seven. Ancol Beach is a popular recreational destination located in North Jakarta. Part of the larger Ancol Dreamland complex, it offers a range of attractions including sandy beaches, water sports, and beautiful sunset views. Visitors can enjoy activities like swimming, jet skiing, and boating, or relax along the coastline. Ancol Beach is also close to other entertainment venues, such as Atlantis Water Adventure, SeaWorld, and Dunia Fantasi Theme Park. The area is a favorite for both locals and tourists seeking a beach getaway without leaving the city. Eight. Ragunan Zoo, located in South Jakarta, is one of the largest and oldest zoos in Indonesia. Founded in 1864, it spans over 140 hectares and houses more than 3,600 animals from around the world, including endangered species like the Sumatran tiger, orangutans, and Komodo dragons. The zoo is set in a lush, green environment with spacious enclosures, offering visitors a chance to explore diverse ecosystems, from tropical rainforests to savannas. It also serves as a conservation and educational center, making it a popular family destination for both entertainment and learning about wildlife. Nine. Glodok is Jakarta's historic Chinatown and one of the largest Chinatown districts in Indonesia. Established during the Dutch colonial era, it is known for its rich Chinese heritage, traditional markets, temples, and delicious street food. Key landmarks include Dharma Bhakta Temple, the oldest Chinese temple in Jakarta, and Pankran Street, famous for Chinese medicine shops and food stalls. Glodok offers a vibrant blend of Chinese and Indonesian culture, with its narrow alleys, red lanterns, and historic shophouses. It remains a bustling commercial hub and a must-visit destination for those exploring Jakarta's multicultural roots. 10. The Thousand Islands is a stunning archipelago north of Jakarta, consisting of over 100 small islands in the Java Sea. A popular getaway from the city, it offers pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs, making it ideal for snorkeling, diving, and island hopping. Some islands, like Pulau Mekong, Pulau Tidung, and Pulau Pramuka, provide resorts, ecotourism experiences, and historical sites, such as on Rust Island's Old Dutch Fort. With its natural beauty and diverse marine life, the Thousand Islands serve as Jakarta's tropical paradise, perfect for relaxation and adventure.